Sir, may I please see your identification?
And if I say no,
Sir,
what?
may I please see your identification?
And if I say no, what?
Well, then we'll have to wait here until you show me identification, because I can't have you leave. I can't allow you to leave. I don't know who you are. I don't know if you are the owner of this vehicle. I don't know if you have a New York State driver's license. I don't even know if you are a legal citizen of this country. I don't know anything about you right now. So I would like to see some proof of identification.
You asked about legal citizens of the country?
No, I don't know who you are, though.
I'm just wondering. You asked if I'm a legal citizen of the country?
Know your rights. Know the law.
This isn't just a traffic stop. It's a lesson in how fast your rights can be tested. In Suffolk County, New York, what started as a man sitting in his car at a gas station turns into an intense showdown between a lawyer and two officers who demand ID with no clear reason. These officers pushed the boundaries, and when they realized he was a criminal attorney with a court date, things exploded. This original footage comes from CFW Carolina in Fort Worth, a channel that's exposing unlawful stops and spreading awareness about your rights under the Constitution. Subscribe to their channel, link in the description, and let them know I sent you. You're going to have strong feelings about what you're about to see.
Where they sell stuff to read it.
Yes.
And on what grounds do you ask me for that?
Yes.
Tell me what grounds you're allowed to ask my ID.
It's my job. May I see your identification?
No, what
Sir,
legal
I don't know
grounds?
who you are. I don't know who you are.
Am I doing anything illegal?
I don't know if you're the owner of this vehicle.
Right now you're parked.
All right.
Wait, can I ask you a question? How am I just
Sir, I'm going to ask you for the last time.
Explain to me how I'm parked
illegally. This is the fifth time
illegally.
I've asked you. Can I please see your identification? This is Officer Otto from the Suffolk County Police Department.
This is
May I
Gino
please
Giorgini, a
Thank
New York
you.
State criminal attorney
Thank you. May I
who's
please see your
sitting here doing this. Then why are you asking me?
Because I don't
want to give you. Why do you want to look at my ID? I'm asking you a simple question. I'm in a private parking lot,
It's not a private
minding my own business. It's not a private
It's
parking
a
lot?
business. This is a public parking lot. This is a public. Private would mean it's a business.
You have right, and you're telling me I'm parked illegally. How am I parked illegally?
You're parked illegally. You're blocking the path.
Blocking what? What path? They're
Sir,
in the corner.
may
I
please see
just
your
want to record
identification?
this.
Sir, I'm going to ask you for the last time. May I please see your identification, please?
I just want to ask you.
Sir, may I please see your identification?
I'm asking, what legal grounds
Sir,
are you
may I
asking me
please
for
see your
them?
identification, please.
Right now, sir, you're parked illegally.
The man asserts his rights, while the officer insists again and again. But under Heibel v. 6th Judicial District Court 2004, even in states with stop and ID laws, you must be lawfully detained first.
Okay?
Okay, I just
I
want
need to identify you.
I don't know who you are. I don't know if you're the
Sure.
owner of this vehicle.
Exactly. You understand that?
I do not know if you own this vehicle. I don't know what your name is. You're not showing me any proof
But
that you are the operator.
you're missing the point
Sir,
because
no, you're missing the point.
hey,
Sir.
do me a favor.
Sir, may I
Don't
please
interrupt
see
me
your
when I'm
identification?
speaking. Do
Sir,
not
may I
interrupt me when I'm
please, sir,
speaking.
Sir,
when,
do me a favor. Sir,
on
I'm
what
asking you a question.
grounds
May I
are you
please
asking
see your
me?
identification? Sir, may I please see your identification?
And if I say no,
Sir,
what?
may I please see your identification?
And if I say no, what?
Well, then we'll have to wait here until you show me identification, because I can't have you leave. I can't allow you to leave. I don't know who you are. I don't know if you are the owner of this vehicle. I don't know if you have a New York State driver's license. I don't even know if you are a legal citizen of this country. I don't know anything about you right now. So I would like to see some proof of identification.
You asked about legal citizens of the country?
No, I don't know who you are, though.
I'm just wondering. You asked if I'm a legal citizen of the country?
Sir,
If
may
you're
I
a legal
please?
operator of this vehicle.
Yes. May I please see your identification? I did
You
not.
have to determine whether or not you can drive away here. We can let you go. If it's just a minor.
And
parking
also,
offense,
sir, I did see you dump that liquid onto the floor.
Yeah, it's called seltzer. Here's your can of water.
Sir,
It's an
so
empty
you're
seltzer
telling me
can.
You did dump a liquid onto the floor.
Water.
Okay. Okay, so you did do it though.
Is there a law against that?
You did dump a substance out of a can out of your car, correct?
And
Answer my question, sir. Did you or did you not?
so what does it matter?
Answer my question, sir.
What does it matter?
Sir, answer my question. Did you or did you not dump a substance out of the car while you were parked here?
What does he have? Water,
Sir,
seltzer. What does it
So
matter?
you're saying you did?
And is there a problem with that?
I don't know what substance it is.
Go down and test it. Go lick it.
I don't have
care.
a test for it right
Bend down,
now.
lick it. I don't care.
I can't test it. That's why I'm asking for some identification so you can verify who you are, where you're going right now, and then I can have you go on your way.
Well, let me ask you. Why would I have to tell you where I'm going?
Because it's my job to know
No,
who you
no.
are.
Why-
I don't care where you're going.
wait, why is it your job to know who I
I
am?
did not ask you where you were going. I
You
have
just did.
asked you.
Pouring sparkling water is not a crime, yet it becomes the officer's only justification. probable cause cannot rest on ambiguity. This is what courts call a pretextual stop.
No, I did not. Do not put words into my mouth, okay? I know this is your job, all right? I understand this is your job, but now let me do my job and just see some identification, like a New York State driver's license, because I don't know who you are. Like I said, I have never had any interaction with you before. I have never seen you before, okay? So I'm doing my job, patrolling the area that I work, correct?
Wait, come on.
Okay, so I'd like to see some identification.
Are you telling me that people in the state of New York had me stopped and asked for ID for no reason?
Okay, well, right
no,
now,
I did not say that. I said I would like to see some identification from you, sir. I can call a supervisor down here. We can't let you leave now. Now you cannot leave until I get verification of who you are. I can't allow you to leave. I don't know who you are. I don't know if you have a New York State driver's license. Oh,
no,
your
no
inspection
idea.
is past due. Well, now I can't have you drive the vehicle because your inspection is past due. So now you're going to get a summons for that.
The officer blocks his exit, stating, "You cannot leave until I get verification." That's a de facto detention, unlawful under the Fourth Amendment when there's no probable cause or arrest.
But I don't know who you are yet, so I don't know who to write the summons to. So can you produce some identification for me?
That expired, I didn't know.
Oh, boy. That expired? Did you get that on tape? Did you get that? Can you film that for
I'll
me?
get on tape. That's expired. Big deal.
The expired inspection sticker becomes their golden ticket. But traffic violations do not justify investigative detention without reasonable suspicion of a more serious crime.
I just want to know why you're stopping people in the gas station.
Didn't stop anyone. I did not stop anyone,
I just
sir.
want to know why.
You were not
I sit in
stopped
gas
already.
stations and read my paper every morning, but I just happen to be in Wyandanch about to pick up a client, and all of a sudden, I've got this massive
it's all right,
interrogation.
sir. You can wait here for your summons.
We're going to get a summons.
Yeah, I'm going to supervise it.
So I know who to write the summons to?
There's some parked car ready to
No,
the
there
parking
was
lot.
someone in the vehicle, so I can't write it to a parked car to no one. There is an actual operator of the
No, you got
vehicle
the plate.
right now.
You can write it to the owner of the car.
No, I cannot do that.
I get some. Just so we get this straight, I get summonses. People get summonses on parked cars and parking lots all the
I
time.
don't know. No, but there's no one in the vehicle. When there's someone in the vehicle, the actual operator who's sitting in the vehicle gets the summons. Not when the car is parked unattended and alone. Yes, you're correct.
It was
That
car in
called a
operation
parking-
right now.
I didn't say it was an operation. I said you're sitting in the operator's
Okay,
seat.
so but it's not. The car wasn't in operation, right? Car wasn't
say that.
running. This, that.
I did not. We're not talking about that, okay? And then I say that. Do not put words into my mouth, okay?
I'll have fun showing this video in front of Judge Hudson's car this morning.
And you make sure you show that your inspection is up.
So what? Big deal. Write a ticket.
Okay.
You like get off on this or something?
No, you ready?
You like get off on like just dragging this process out?
No, because
You realize you could have just identified yourself in the
That's
beginning
all.
and be like, okay,
You
this
probably
is your
wouldn't have
vehicle.
gotten a ticket for
What are you
I
doing,
wouldn't
sir?
have- I wouldn't have noticed
I
it.
want to
have a
ask you
client over
why
here,
why
I have a
someone.
client over here and be like, all right, sir.
But
and
what
you
is,
go
but
on
what
your
is
way.
it? But
It's
why,
just
why
being-
would? Let
it's
me.
just
I
being,
just
like,
want to know
gentlemanly.
something.
And
I just want.
talking over
I want to know.
I heard
You
you
dumped
talk-
the you
you were
dumped the
talking
substance
nonstop.
out of your car.
You're sitting weird. You were dumping something out of your car.
I don't even know what that
Came
is.
up to
Sitting
identify.
weird?
Yeah, you're
The vehicle's parked weird.
Yeah.
This is not weird. Everything else is straight into a lie.
Is this tint legal, by the way? I think we have a tintometer in the car. Is this tint legal?
Factory should be. Rear window.
Just want to make sure.
You know? And you could have been on your way, but if this is what you get off on.
No, I
Obviously you do. This is like a little game that you like playing.
Wait, what's the
You could've been
game?
on
Wait,
your way a long time
wait,
ago.
time out. A
You
game?
could've been on your way a long
Wait,
time
time
ago.
out.
This is a little game.
You're
This is
supposed to
something that
do
you
your
just-
job when you're
This is
doing
what you wanna
something.
do. I mean, this is your game. You know?
Why is it my game? I'm reading the newspaper, minding my business.
You could've been on your way.
Really, it's a game? You violating people's rights?
Violating rights. You're walking legally.
I'm not parked illegally.
Dumping your unknown substance.
Write the ticket.
Substance
Write the
level.
ticket.
Okay, but I don't know how to write to it, so I need to see some identification.
Write a ticket
I
on
need to see your
everything.
identification.
Write
so,
a
you
ticket
can
on
be
anything.
arrested. Believe me, for just so
what?
you know, for an inspection ticket, in lieu of arrest. The tickets are issued in lieu of arrest.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, let me see. There we go.
He gives up his ID, not because he has to, but because justice calls. Missing court is not an option. It's a reminder, even those who know their rights sometimes comply, strategically.
I don't know why that was so hard.
Because it's illegal to come up and ask for ID for no reason.
When someone's dumping a substance out of
Nah,
yes, that is my
that's
reason. That is my reason. You're dumping
Park
an
it.
unknown substance out of, you're parked in a car, okay? You open the door and you dumped an unknown substance out of a can, okay? and then you threw the can on the floor.
Don't worry.
So I'm good.
This is getting forwarded to the Fed monitors. That's all.
Okay.
It's all good.
Okay. Listen.
It's all good.
Right here. 5426.
I got it.
Okay?
I got it.
Make sure the Fed monitors get it.
Oh, I know. They'll be happy with that. You know.
Your rights violated.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
How did you violate your rights?
Don't worry. You'll find out.
Okay.
Oh, you called me a pussy? Did you just call me a pussy? Did you just mouth that on the
Excuse
video?
me?
Did you just mouth something to me?
No, I did not.
You sure?
You have a problem?
You just mouthed something to me.
You really like to push people's buttons, do you?
You just mouthed
really
something to
like to push
me.
people's buttons. He does. All right. Well, just sit tight. I'll issue you a summons and you can be on your way. Have a nice day.
They asked for ID. He asked for the law. This wasn't about a traffic stop. It was a lesson in standing firm when your rights are under attack. Under the Fourth Amendment, you do not have to show ID without reasonable suspicion, and no badge changes that. If you've ever been stopped, questioned, or cornered without cause, your story matters. Drop it in the comments. Hit subscribe so you never get caught off guard again. This is ID Refusal Live channel, where civil resistance meets constitutional power. You don't need permission to be free, you need knowledge to stay free.